Olympian Anju Bobby George, who secured a historic bronze medal in the 2003 World Athletics Championship in Paris, made a stunning revelation on Monday. She said that she achieved all successes in her life and turned the topper in athletics with a single kidney. In a tweet, the ace athlete, a gold medalist in the IAAF World Athletics Finals held in Monaco in 2005, said she had many limitations, including being allergic to even a painkiller, but still made it to the top. Believe it or not, I am one of the fortunate among very few who reached the world top with a single kidney, allergic with even a painkiller, with a dead take-off leg, many limitations, still made it. Can we call magic of a coach or his talent? Anju tweeted. Her career blossomed under the coaching of husband, Robert Bobby George. Responding to her tweet, Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju said she brought laurels to India through her hard work, grit and determination. Anju, it's your hard work, grit and determination to bring laurels for India, supported by the dedicated coaches and the whole technical backup team. We are so proud of you being the only Indian so far to win a medal in the World Athletic Championship, the minister said in his response to her tweet. The Athletics Federation of India said as India's only medalist at the IAAF World Championships held in Paris in 2003, a gold medalist in the IAAF World Athletics Finals held in Monaco in 2005, and a remarkably consistent performer throughout her wonderful career, Anju is among the country's most inspirational track and field stars. Anju finished 6th in the 2004 Olympic Games in Athens with a personal best leap of 6.83 meter, but was elevated to 5th place in 2007 when the United States of America's Marion Jones was disqualified for a doping offense. Her gold medal in the Asian Games in Busan in 2002 with a jump of 6.53 meter was an early indication of things to come the following couple of years. From a 5.98 meter jumper in 1996, her rise was encouraging, but she stagnated a little before blossoming fully under the coaching of husband Robert Bobby George, the federation said. News Desk, Kaumudi English.